Okay, now we have our prime rib in the pan. We're ready. We want to set this onto a cutting board, and we're going to let this rest at least for half an hour to let it reabsorb all the juices, because if we don't, all the juices will come running right out onto the board, and we've lost all of that great moisture in here. And as you see, this is just a beautiful, beautiful color. And next we're going to create the Au Jus with the juices that have been left behind, and we'll show you how to do that. Okay, so now we've poured off a lot of the fat from the juice, and we have our vegetables still in the pan. When you hear this sizzling going on, you want to move these around a little bit with the juice, and now what we wanted to do is add 1 cup of red wine. So it's on a burner here, so now it's starting to reduce down. So what we want to do is add 1 cup of wine, red wine. Make it a pretty good wine, something that you'd actually want to drink. And just pour that in. That'll deglaze the pan some, so any little bits from the prime rib are going to get taken up. You can hear that a little bit, some of the bits coming up. Set the wine aside, and then we wanted 2 cups of beef stock. I'm going to add that big beefy flavor to this. Just go ahead and measure that out. This is really handy. You can make your own, but this is a great method to use too. If you just don't have the time to roast down the beef bones and that type of thing. So you got 2 cups there. Let's go ahead and add to the pot. What we're going to do is turn this up to high. We want to reduce this to about half of that liquid. And this is going to form our au jus for our prime rib.